Have you seen those crazy WhatsApp and Telegram messages promising insane returns from AI-powered trading signals? They make it sound like you can just kick back, let the bot do the work, and watch the money roll in. But let's be real. Is this really the future of trading, or are we looking at another classic case of too good to be true? Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI trading signals, the facts, the fiction, and everything in between. Stick around, because this could save you some serious cash. So, what exactly are these AI trading signal bots everyone's talking about? Basically, they're like automated trading assistants living in your phone. They use fancy algorithms to scan the markets 24/7, looking for opportunities that match specific criteria. Think of it like having a mini hedge fund manager in your pocket, sending you buy and sell alerts through Telegram or WhatsApp. Now, these bots aren't just randomly spitting out trading signals. Most of them rely on a combination of technical analysis, machine learning, and even sentiment analysis. They're crunching tons of data, from price charts and trading volume to social media buzz and news headlines. Some bots use pre-programmed rules based on technical indicators like RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands. Others are more sophisticated, using machine learning to adapt to changing market conditions. Okay, so we've got bots sending trading signals straight to our phones. Sounds futuristic, but why the sudden surge in popularity? Well, for starters, the barrier to entry is incredibly low. You don't need a Wall Street salary or a degree in finance to join a Telegram group or subscribe to a bot. Plus, the promise of passive income is super alluring. Who wouldn't want to make money in their sleep, right? The dark side of AI trading: signals, risks, and red flags. Look, I'm all for using technology to your advantage, but when it comes to AI trading signals, there are some serious risks you need to be aware of. First off, accountability. Literally anyone can create a Telegram group, slap the label AI powered on it, and start charging people. And let's talk about those guaranteed profits. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Many of these groups use fake testimonials, Photoshop screenshots, and cherry-picked wins to lure you in. And even if the bot isn't a straight-up scam, there's no guarantee it can handle real-world market conditions. Spotting the scam's red flags to watch out for. So how can you tell if an AI trading signal group is legit or just out to take your money? Here are some major red flags. First, if they can't show you a verifiable track record, run. Second, be wary of groups that promise unrealistic returns or pressure you to join their exclusive paid tiers. Remember, real trading is about discipline, risk management, and making informed decisions, not chasing after the next get-rich-quick scheme. Now, I don't want to paint a completely negative picture here. There are legitimate AI trading tools and platforms out there. Platforms like 3Commas and CryptoHopper offer rule-based AI bots that you can customize and backtest. If you're more tech-savvy, you can even code your own bots using platforms like QuantConnect or Alpaca. The key is to treat AI as a tool to enhance your trading, not replace it entirely. To see how these bots perform in the real world, we decided to do our own little experiment. We joined 3 different Telegram AI trading groups with varying levels of hype and promises. Bot A was the premium option, charging a hefty monthly fee and boasting an 85% win rate. Bot B was a free group claiming to provide AI-powered predictions. And Bot C was more transparent, sharing their daily win-loss data openly. After a week of tracking their signals, here's what we found. Bot A, despite its promises, ended up with a net loss of 4.3%. Bot C managed a modest gain of 3.1%, showing that transparency and a data-driven approach can yield some positive results. So after all this, should you trust those AI trading bots on Telegram or WhatsApp? The short answer is, it depends. AI can be a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. If you're considering using AI signals, make sure you understand how the strategy works, the bot has a proven track record, and you're comfortable with the risks involved. Never blindly follow signals without doing your own due diligence. Alright guys, that's it for today's deep dive into the world of AI trading signals. Remember, knowledge is power. And in the world of trading, that's especially true. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more financial breakdowns, and share this video with a friend who might be thinking about jumping on the AI trading bandwagon. And hey, before you trust any get-rich-quick group, ask, if it's that easy, why are they selling it?